Just noticed a pod of dolphins. Amazing. Here they come.
All around the bow of the boat. Look at them. You go up the front, you'll get them all. Look at them. You'll get
God, look at all the dolphins. Amazing. They love being around the pressure wave on the bow. Oh, this is fantastic. Made my day. Look at them. Perfect day on the bay. We've just been around the Cape Kidnappers. And oh, here they come again. They're really amazing. They're all around the bow. All around. Amazing, Rex.
amazing, isn't it?
We're hoping the wind will come up and we can put the sails up. We're just motoring at the moment.
Look at them here, look at them.
Oh, there's more than you think, isn't there? It's good to capture this on camera. Good to be alive, guys. Look at the day. It's perfect. Don't know how long they're going to follow us for. But sure lovely to have them. Hope so. Well, the dolphins are swimming on ahead of us now. They're been with us for a good 10 minutes.